Sometimes it can happen that the training logs do not appear in the front end, though new checkpoints are visible in the Tensorboard. It can also be that the training is completed message appears without any display of the training logs. When this happens, the logs of the training can be accessed from the jobs_logs folder. Based on the timestamp when the training was started, one of the text files contains the training log. If an error has occurred while training message appears too quickly after clicking the Start Training button, this can mean that the model name is not unique and a folder with this name already exists in the Training Datasets folder. Simply start a new training by changing the name. If you want to use the same name, the model must be deleted from two places. First, delete the model from the front end using the three-dot menu. This deletes the information from the database. Second, delete the corresponding folder from the disk, RCV, Pytorch, Trainings, or RCV, Tensorflow Trainings, depending on which framework is being used for training. Tensorboard information for a given training is only accessible A. when the training job is running, and B. when the training is finished and the manager startup script is still on and no new training job using the same framework has been started. Once the training is completed, a screenshot of the Tensorboard metrics can be saved for future references if desired. Export Model dialog button is available if and only if a model training is successfully completed. If the training was abruptly ended by the user by closing the manager's startup script, export cannot be carried out. Once the model training has completed successfully, reload the page to activate the Export Model button. Click the button to perform an export. Choose the desired checkpoint for export, and if no checkpoint is chosen, the last checkpoint is automatically exported. The path to the model training folder on the disk is stored in the database when a training is started. If by chance the model training data folder has been deleted from the disk, the Export Model button will result in an error. In that case, please delete the model from the front end and perform a new training from scratch. Memory error can occur in case several scripts, Manager and Serving of Pytorch and Tensorflow are open simultaneously. To free up RAM, close all scripts except for the one you intend to use. For example, if you want to train a model with Pytorch, run only the Pytorch Manager script and make sure all others are closed. In this example, an error has occurred message is seen on the front end. The details of the error can be seen in the job logs folder by accessing the corresponding training logs. For Pytorch, the training logs shows the Cuda is out of memory message, and for Tensorflow, the training logs message shows an out-of-memory error. Regularly check disk space and clean up if necessary. During the training, many checkpoints are saved, and with time, the storage space reduces. To free up space, delete model training data that is no longer needed. Make sure to delete the information from two places. First, delete the model from the front end using the three-dot menu. This deletes the information from the database. Second, delete the corresponding folder from the disk, RCV, Pytorch Trainings, or RCV, TensorFlow trainings, depending on which framework is being used for training.